Hello everyone, I am doing just a review on a product I bought from eBay, something I thought would be handy for my tablet and my phone, and I'm just going to show you what I think of it. This is a Gooseneck tablet and phone holder, which I bought because the webcam on my computer is utter crap. It's a very expensive computer, well, laptop it is, but the webcam on it is, don't know what it is actually, whether it's auto focus, auto brightness, and the least bit light change in the room that change the light changes on the camera and everything. So my tablet is very good quality and I get good videos with it. But this is what I have to do to use it. I'm going to show you where it is at the moment. If I want to use it, it's sitting on my laptop in front of the screen. That's how I use it. And don't notice all the rubbish on the side of my table there. That's my cup and everything. I'm not showing that, I'm showing the tablet. So that's how I have to use the tablet. But the least bit movement, if I move that table accidentally because it's on wheels, if I touch it accidentally, it flops over. And if I use it the way it is, I'll switch it on camera and let you see. There, as you can see me holding my phone there. It's quite a good quality picture and it's sort of in focus, but the way it keeps flopping down now and again, I'm going to break it. So I decided to buy myself a proper holder for it. So I bought this one. I already have an apparatus, you can see there, set up. That's another apparatus I use for my when I do my tutorials and that. And those are just bottles of booze I got at Christmas. I don't sit up here and drink all the time. I've just put them up here so don't think I'm sitting boozing while I'm sitting knitting or crocheting. But anyway, that's what I bought this for. I think it was less than £10. I think it was £9 and something. I'd have to check the proper price on eBay, I can't remember. But I just used some of my revenue that I had in eBay, for they keep my money for about 3 months before they send it to me. Anything I sell, unless I ask them for it sooner. So I just use some of my revenue I haven't there for to buy anything I want from eBay, which I bought this stupid thing. I'm going to put my tablet in and show you what happens, so I'm going to stop this video for a few seconds. So I can't show this very well, but this is me holding it. You can see there's the stand thing there, and me holding it. I'm going to let go of it now. That is the gooseneck holder. And I'm not going to let it go just like that because it'll go really hard flop on the floor. And you have no idea how much trouble I had to get actually the tablet into it. Utter rubbish. If I take my hand and let it away, the tablet might fall out of it if I let it go down, but you can see it's of no use whatsoever. And places where you've tried to curl it and that, it's flattened the tube and so it looks like I'm back to doing what I was before. Back to using my laptop as a holder for my tablet because that thing is useless. As you can see there, it's trying to twist it to turn it. It's flattened the tube down there, and there's just no, this thing in here, there mustn't be enough support inside here for to keep it up. Well, there's no brand name on it. It just says it's a holder for a tablet or a phone. But even I put my phone in it and it doesn't hold my phone up either. My phone flops down as well. I can't put the phone in to show you because I'm using the phone to do this video. I did finally manage to get it to stand up straight. I'll show you how I bent the wire. That's how I managed to bend the wire. But that, if I move it, it'll just flop down. Like that. If you just touch it, it wobbles. Oh, it's just gone off. It wobbles all over the place. And you've no idea how hard it was to get it in between these two things here. So if I can keep it like that, but every time I take the tablet out, it comes all undone. Well, I've managed to get the tablet to stand up, and you can see behind it, I've only managed to curl that once. It's curled 2 or 3 times in the ad that shows it. And behind it, this thing here has the round thing inside. You tighten it, so you're supposed to be able to tighten it to stand up like that, but it won't stand up like that. I've tried always with it. I'll probably take it off, take it to bits and try to curl that round a little bit more and see if I can get it to stand up straight by itself. You can see me holding my camera on because I've set the camera on it. Well, that was all the fiddling about I had to do with that gooseneck tablet and phone holder. I'm going to take it all to bits and see if I can fold that any better. I've managed to move it up so it's standing up a bit more straight. I know it might work a little bit better, but you know, it's suddenly turned very dark and it's only 3:30. I hope it's not going to snow again. Hope it's just rain. It's just starting to clear from my so that was just a little bit of fun to show you the kind of fun I had with that thing, trying to sort it out. It'll probably be okay if I can keep that curl on it. If I can curl it around a little bit more, it might give it a bit more support. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you again some other time. So bye for now.